Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out of Tango app. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Tango application. You can see over here Tango application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log out of your account, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to my account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down to the bottom. Now over here you'll be able to find the section for logins. You'll be able to find two options over here: add account, log out. Tap on this option, log out. Now you can see over here you'll have to confirm the logout. Are you sure you want to log out? Simply tap on this option, log out. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged out of your Tango account. So that is how you log out of Tango account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.